Hayi niyayazi liqabe lengqondo eqine ngapho koqoqaqaqa ngiyangithola igama lami wakhumzi May wakwa May yayibona lonto leyo sure otherwise you can call me Moren ndiphethe
akavayi yedwa bafethu vaya nobafana wase New Rest. My name is Martins Masia but ke founder development Pantsola la Kokasi.
Hayi soka man. Okay bafethu, welcome to the first episode Yelali Living Networks podcast. Yayithola la ile so everything edibene nelali nesteke niyasazi mos, you already know us yabo iqaba senilazi kakade so ngoku siyaziya sibuyile the podcast bethathe iholtinyana. We were doing interviews only, restructuring the company, trying to make sure we come back strong.
Yeah.
That's why I'm pretty white now.
Very bafethu. And you know, Lali Living have been everywhere bafethu, from political meetings to the campaign to
studio,
studio session. And you're still gonna meet the rest of the family, guys. We'll be dropping a podcast soon with the whole team. Lalitainment. You forgot.
No, but we'll tell them.
We'll decide on the name, guys.
I know the name. That's the name. But
Lalitainment.
My pela about it. Yeah, we're talking about not to enter pela manzi. So we're talking about GPV so that's the first thing which is on my mind.
Yes.
Like I'm not proud about what's happening around sure not just nezinto maybe sizenza emakoneni fumaniseka kuba mazingavela maybe kwi-light ubona uba ayivela maybe ngale ndlela ivele ka-enhle or ivela kabuhlungu uyathola la than abantu aluze life yakhe. We say rest in peace enhle and ifamily yakho we hope ibe strong. Anyone out there man dealing with this situation mangathetha uyathola la yeah man. So now what
bro like we still pushing the campaign. The case ka enhle has been postponed to E25 is ka June, am I correct?
Yeah, sure.
G25 is ka June, so they will also be doing a march. So Stake Spirit, you can just join in, get 25 is ka June and be there. Come in numbers, guys. It's hashtag Justice for Enhle, no to GPV. So that's the campaign we're pushing, Buffett.
Sure.
We know that Lendo Lena iqala ngathi uba masiqale ukuzithemba thina self. Let's be able to walk away when things zibalukhuni. Let's know our value. Let's begin to build ourselves, because in most cases, bro, this thing ziqala ngendaba yokuthini ngokuthi umuntu abene low self esteem. Now when you have a partner umfuna uba umbambe as if lo muntu is an item engathi iPhone. You see, engathi item you can just press and then you forgetting that person is a human too. They had a life.
Mara yasemzini ne okay, just to open it ku-table yabo. Amantombazana nokudelela mfethu. Anokudelela Brian, like have you been in a relationship ufumanise eyakudelela lo muntu anditsho uba enhle bebedelela or any other woman ufumanise kwenzeke lo nto kuyadelela yabo.
Just putting it broad.
I'm just putting it broad yabo. Amanye amajita mfethu bathula or they commit suicide. Yabo like ngoku andithi benithetha khona we-studio khona umjita anikho sure bakwenzekeni kuye like New Rest omasekeleni ayithola that thing
yeah.
So asazi yayifuma loo nto leyo kwenzekana amanye amajita ndoda because of amavuso bagqina ndoda bevuka besejele yayithola because intombazana ayifunanga
abavumelana ngalamali
yayithola that thing sure yabo. And untwana kuthiwa untwana like in the case ka enhle untwana yena is saying it's self defense.
In his defense.
Yeah, in his defense. So ibhayili yena sharp nayo uyayala ungathi yabona because kasekapa abantu bangamhlahlela yabona because the case is happening enantsini.
It's hectic, bro, because nabahlali, if that guy could go loose, I think it's safer for him to be behind bars, because make buyele bahlalini who would want to live with a person that is allegedly stabbed a person for like 25 times if bendive correctly. That's why I'm saying allegedly.
Kodwa yabona okay
times.
Sharp yadelela umuntu maruzu umhlala ka 25.
No bro, it's like waqaninisa.
So nejimbusi mana ngende ngene ukuhlaba nokuhlaba ngono nokukhaba mfethu.
Consciousness was goes ba ibuye nini yabo, because like from the first step bro you should have yabona uthuke like
utatumanzi the first tatumanzi simnansikile esinginterviewile lo tutatu sikhumbuzo upastor yabo uthima uthe this could not proof not that sikhumbuzo ngathi he said the same thing ukuba ngamadimoni la. It could be something engene kuntwana yabo.
Yeah.
Wena ungablame untwana yabo ba okay usikhawatile and he messed up yabo nto le. But kodwa kufumaniseka ukuba untwana ndoda kukhona into bengene pha okanye whoever has done that or wenza lonto leyo khona something ndoda spiritual emathekayo yabona le. So wena kulo take leyo ngathi.
Yeah. I'm not pro like I think it's a matter of anger. Like the guy couldn't control his anger because I don't like to divert to search for people not to carry the responsibility of.
So uthakatha buko.
No, I'm saying that guy had control to stop, but he decided to go nge anger. Yeah, he didn't have control over his anger. That's the only thing I can believe in that is realistic. But okay, usuke wazelwa ngomsindo, and then he couldn't just stop himself. I don't know. Maybe magnitude of their strike during that incident.
Sure.
Maybe say we figured a point of calling it quits. He didn't want to take it. We don't know.
Yeah, ngoba siyafuna ukulashwa nje.
Yeah, we don't know.
Like ngono ngafunyana ngumuntu uzofunyana ndiyo. Okay, yabona ke just nje yabona to add ebantwini there's a poster out. Yeah, it's gonna be on your screen yangithola lonto leyo any time now yabo. So yeah, bafethu uMihlali the accused Mihlali Taune has abandoned the bail application for the second time. So uyabona ukuthi unyane ziyakhala ngaphandle.
He's safer inside.
Bellville futhi ndoda Cape Town. Bellville court, hey.
So when they say that, what does it mean? Abandoned. It means that he didn't go for that.
Yeah, but so he didn't pitch.
He didn't
pitch.
Check
it out because we didn't check it.
We should check it out.
We didn't pitch. So whoever checked it out, did he pitch or didn't he?
Yeah.
Skipper kanjani. Okay, so
on the comment
justice
section
for Enhle Manzi bafethu, you know, an injury to one is an injury to all. So yeah, the Manzi family is appealing. Yabona, yeah, the case number is 433/03/2006. Yabona courtroom E at Bellville. The next appearance is on the 25 June 2026. Yeah, yabona abantu man they must decide bona abantu bakhe bacho bail or no bail or skipper kanjani ibola le. But yeah, sithi manu Enhle maka redeem and hope she's resting in peace and yonke into yakhe ihambe kakuhle. And the family nayo finds peace. The family kamchita finds peace yabo because now family yakhe find by hurt. Yeah, they losing a son. Going to jail is nothing easy yabo. Now mchita we hope that you heal yabo. Yeah, like
bro.
Saying yabo like even the Manzi family was saying this, but these are not the only victims.
That's why the campaign.
Those are not the only victims. Masithetha ngeheshe lapha like I think about 3 weeks ago khona omnye umama entsemekweni.
Okay.
To be precise. Khona omnye umama owabulawa ngenye out yakhe. You know, now we interpreting the way lena ngoku nenatsika na like the way HPV nalabantu like there's a campaign going around
to raise awareness.
It's in the campaign of HPV. It's in the campaign ngane le 30 days 30 June. It's in 30 June.
Foreigners, immigrants,
legal or illegal. They say they must go.
And that's another one, bro.
So check this out.
Today we were there. Are we going to tell them about it?
We still on the TPV vibe, man.
No, okay.
So the only lena libulawa ngumchita waseLesotho. Undocumented. Chita mhlahlela. So old lady ngathi like story masitsho kuthiwa old lady yabona bese ngumuntu oseke single, she's a widow, so she had no one. Okay, umchita looking for work kulondawo le whatever yabona obviously ngama out sawuthandana man abantu ngomama singabantu. So yeah, usimali companion elifini. Then this guy over whatever misunderstanding it is yabona abantu bazawuthetha bayazi icase yabo. Yeah, it's open for the public. This is not our podcast yabo. So into yenzekayo so amhlaba umchita. Then old lady borders yabo. And this guy is undocumented. So kahle this TPV vibes yabona it's not only into yenziwa ngabantu abalapha eMzansi. So yenzeka kanjani ke ngoku mase ngumuntu wangaphandle? How do we control it?
I think they should be punished according to the country that they are in, bro. Yabo baserve sentence and then after the sentence they're deported because asazi mama befika ngara. How would justice play its role that side?
Mara ngayi bazosneka ngala mvete jele ngala bazosneka babuye.
Not a rape, bro. Do you think they get the good life for raping sisters abantu abangara? You know, once you get raped, it's obvious. No,
It's
you married.
Old lady
It's either you rape or you rape. Once you abuse abantu abangomama, that's something that is still respected even as even today.
But got the okay, like but the system. And I'm not talking about it here, Pagat. I don't know what happens in Pagat, but the system itself. Yeah, allow man to bapinda pile. I told her like appeal in society. You murdered a person. There's proof. You're still going to court. You're still getting the same treatment. You can appeal. You can go to you can apply for bail. Get the bail. You get protected. You can get a free lawyer. Free lawyer. You get free food. Everything you can. When I brigade. The man entering a politicians who share my blue light brigades. Yo, Brahma, Chitabanji, you share my blue light brigades every day.
Yeah.
Oh, land of Bra, we. Follow my robot intended those are VIPs, dog. Yes, Kunzi, Mawabanya, Bangene, because
so when would you say that they should get the death sentence?
I'm saying, bro, yeah. It should come back.
You know, bro, it came as a shock while we were still at the Manzi residence. You remember when we were there?
Sure.
It was so big of them to say that.
Yeah.
They're not like the bro. So what they said was, Bona bafunanje umthetho to take its course, for the guy to get jailed and then be punished for what he did. Otherwise, abamwishelo kububa makapode okanye athini. So there are some people who have mixed emotions.
But now I'm just saying.
Certain sentences amanyamatyala yadeservisa ne akufani nobuke ube somewhere eshop waba somewhere and
we cut off your hand nala
uyabo funny country yenzayo
you're not Korea for sure
yeah awuqala usave nje njengoba ku CCTV uba ube ngesiphi isandla kuthiwa so
North Korea doesn't care my man in North Korea better kwa abantu heads of states bra that guy hangs you. Yeah, big up to you, my man. You know,
country crime rate low.
You know,
like our laws have allowed a lot of things to get in and infiltrate. So now, when it comes to Indobako Fair, Kwatina, why should we tolerate the way things are still happening? Why may legacy tolerate the ways into the Enzega?
So,
yeah. Obvious, bro. Obvious. They're building infrastructure. They are making us rent in our own country. You renting at an estate that is owned by a foreign person. Like I was in PE back in, I think, 2016, life after matric. Went to PE, my bro. All the tenants, I mean, bonke ama into, the landlords is around. Foreign, Mausiaboma Mandela, what? Nigerians, what? And then there's drugs there.
Yeah, PE, I know.
The girls who go there, they are underaged. You see, like they're exploiting themselves based on Indabazezaka. Like, which guy would afford to just give a person 30,000, 13,000, go and have breakfast?
Yeah, I know.
Our dads never did that. Our dads never did that. I'll never know.
May their souls rest in peace. May their souls rest in peace. Their souls rest in peace. Both of them.
Yeah.
So I'm not but these people have businesses and now buying properties, they're employing people, they are not paying taxes. Yeah.
What we discovered today, attending the meeting. Civic
meeting, big up to East Express Civic, the community assist Express for organizing a meeting. We came through. Thank you for inviting us. Now
Civic, the movement is not about Civic, it's about all of us see Lali. So when we push low motive, when we push them,
it's not politically motivated.
It's not politically, it's not civic driven. So now we want drive narrative here. Otherwise,
UTM is here, PAC, those are all our clients, those are all our people. And please, come, do a lot of services. We got talk about that.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. And so what we discovered is that, bro, kuthiwa mina eyona endiyi-understandile ndizaxelela ngohlobo endiyive ngalo ne for umuntu onempepha onazo zonke izinto ezi uthi umthetho mawusiza uza ngento esithi uzoyenza ntoni, uzoinvesta, uzoyenza ntoni, and ithi ke i-minimum requirement for uba uzoyenza loo nto, for you to have a permit yoba, I mean for you to have access yoba ube khona ube ngapha, you have to have at least 5 million. So le business
I'm gonna research that. Let them explain further. We have a video dropping about, like, I think 2 or 3 people were talking about that, so it's gonna drop a video.
Yeah. So if it's 5 million, which means kwakulo 5 million, so kubalelelwe indaba zokuthi at least uza employer ulutsha lakuthi, you will give back. Uyabona, there's certain channels that you're gonna have to follow as under the law, and then that forces you by at least nathi engathi kuthiwe 30%, you should employ like 30% of youth yablo ndawo.
60% of abantu balapha kaloku.
Okay.
The law says 60% and then 40% get before them.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So which means all these businesses ezikhona ngoku, meaning zonke iziphaza shop ezisekazi zonke, which means ngaba bangene illegal, they become the illegal immigrants we're talking about, because you can see that lo muntu lona uze ukuzoyenza 5 million apha kazange ephethe i5 million.
Okay, sure. So okay ke
ngokabanye
like, but kodwa i-implications ayo yonke le nto, because nako WhatsApp ra ku trend izinto ne, there is a WhatsApp endiyifumene, like this calls for into ezibhayo, this calls for violence, this calls for you know, like economy nayo bengathi yabhayiseka nyana okwanyegina, you know what I'm saying?
The sad part about this is that even though sebezile ngezo tuck shop zabo sebe infiltrate amakasi to be everywhere, the sad thing is that they continue to feed us poison. You know, they make profits out of giving us poisons, because like week in week out siyabona, like kuma socials and everywhere uba kubhaqo utywala obunje obufake,
ukuthenga ukutya unje into.
Uyayibona
just like besithenge isupheka la endlini, isupheka yakhona yo bengathi idliwe ifridge, we even returned it, yabo. My friend wasinika right power me, sure.
So for sure bekephunguza ezakudala, and uqonda ba okay fine makayithathe.
So but what I'm trying to say is, brother, sibonile Gauteng na kwezinye indawo yaDurban,
Durban,
these people are starting to retaliate. Baqala ngokuba baphakame Brian ba thina siyindawo yangithola right ngle, and then now this is bringing war and whatnot. I wouldn't say war, sorry for that name, but like
diversity,
some sort of financing, diversity, some sort of conflict between, you know, ama foreigners and nathi ne. And then ngokubona abasayi ngalantu bandibuya Africa or Zimbabwe or Niger or whatnot or Bangladesh and bathi thina singama foreign bona ngabantu basemzansi mazikhali, uyayithola la ndenge. And then secondly, so okay, one lonto leyo ngabe ngeke be negative. 2, economy yethu, as you say, most buildings ownwa ngabo, most businesses ownwa ngabo, uyayithola la ndenge. Are these businesses gonna open? Iziphaza ngabe zizavulwa na? Check this out. The reason why I'm saying this mfethu ne, if ukhumbula kahle i-shops ezininzi ukukhula kwethu, bokuzi i-shops asezilalini zethu. I-shop yaselalini yakho bayi-owna ngutata waselalini yakho. Yabona ke kaSlame ka 1010 bayi-owna ngu1010, esezansi bayi-owna ngutata omncinci, yabona uMay bayi-ownwa nguye, ayithola right engile. Everything was like that. Besikuthenga ukudla la, it was always fresh ukudla boku right na bebestocka clan. But now these shops fell. Yabo enye yangafaka abantu, enye yafaka my friend, yavuswa i-shop. These people now bafumana i-rent, ama-building owners, not only eKasi walapha town. Yabona, so ngicabanga kancane. So into yenzeka kwenzeka ntoni ne, ama-businesses wethu awo, and people allowed it to happen. Even the business owners bavula, my friend. So are we gonna be able to control this economy, Brian? Hence the question yomhlaba kwelinye ixesha abanye abantu xa bebuza ne, okay, bring back the land to the people. For example, if they would accept Baba's 30 cent square, the richest square mile in South Africa, are we going to manage it? Not so called Madlango Commission as Bamba Bantu Ganji, about Abadimali, in Tela Zasenku Zinje Priam, in Tela Zinje Priam, like brad ngoku mna sisathetha ngaleyo ndiyakhala mfethu umasipala ndoda wenze into ezininzi when it comes to i-funding zethu you know they're withholding a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Yayibona loo nto leyo. The gatekeeping is systematic gatekeeping. So now we siyabakhupha abantu abo. Yes benza into ezirongo, yes bathengisa ama-drugs, ningathi ndithi ndihambelana nabo nam hayi kongxaki bangavaya ethola daneke so kulungisa i-country yethu but siyabakhupha aba bantu sithi masigqiba ubakhupha ke ngoku leyo. Are we gonna be able to run these shops? Are we gonna be able to open up these shops? Sizawuthenga na because okokuqala nini bantu basemzantsi abarentisa aba bantu kwi-shops zenu, nini ababarentisa kwinto lento le kumakhaya wenu.
Okay.
Nini ababarentisa kumakhaya, nini bantu basemzantsi ababathengisela ezi passport enithi zi-illegal namhlanje. Nini bantu basemzantsi, Home Affairs, BMA, zonke izindawo kuma-borders nini ababafakayo. You are the ones that are taking the briberies uba bangene. I understand what I'm saying. Sure mna ndiyarhalela uba yabona like omnye umuntu raise the point like okay sorry
yeah.
Ndinomoya
Yeah.
omnye umuntu raise the point kula meeting ye-civic uthi i-video khona drop uthi lo muntu lona asikwazi nokufumana i-opportunity uba sirente maybe ama-buildings like for example ko-Stakespray Plaza even nakwezi buildings ziyadura. I-rent idura kakhulu because they should be subsidizing us. For example, if it 10% or 30% of abantu balapha ngabantu balapha esiteko abasesenqu and they're paying maybe i-rent yabona subsidizing. Even the government assists us. Sisekhona khona office esikuyo asibona. We're not making enough money as emele siyayenza because as afford. Yes, I would like that, but maybe yababengahamba sabakulo advantage leyo maybe zehle ne-rent. Yeah, but because they want rent, they need us to go into those offices. Then we can find better places. Yeah, but it's an advantage for us. But again, are we gonna be able to afford these buildings? Aba bantu ababalama building lana bazawuvuma sibhatala izimali esizafodayo.
I think it can get to that stage. That's if South Africa gets yona lento abayifunayo ba sivaye immigrants. Are they saying all of them okanye aba bangenampepho? Because
fethu aba bantu bathi all foreigners documented or undocumented. 30 June via kaya hamba kaya, that's what they say.
Yeah, but ke thina sizade sithembe nini uba we can, because the fear of us not being able to has prevented us from trying anything for up until today. Yeah, there are certain families who had businesses, who had ndondondondoni zichabalale zithi. Why? Zibuza ba kutheni ezabo businesses zizawuma. If bezi legit ngolo hlobo, why is abantu abamnyama zezaya phansi? It's because there's always something they've managed to cheat the system ngayo so that it sells in cheaper prices. There's always a loophole, bruh, that makes the business. Sometimes
or something else they sell in it's a front.
It's a front.
Sure. Because khona lo mnye wekho raise la point leyana ukuba how can you pay, how can you ube ne-Amarok, ube ne-Hilux, ube
salon nje ka. How many of our sisters have been owning salons? But driving lezo moto. Yeah. So for their businesses to thrive, it's obvious, but there's something. So Tina, we really do deserve these subsidies because umntu foreign uyakwazi ukuthi avalubane
pause for bayingene la moto nje. Yeah, pause. Yeah.
Dithi
to be continued. Sorry konke besiphazamisile nyana sho.
Yeah. Dithi i-foreign national ifika yona seyikwazi ba ibribe ntoni, ibribe uhlobo
lwayo qala
ubribe kwayesangena. So ke ngoku make fika ngayafika ba ziyangikhamela izinto ze-license bribe la wena ungundaki, you ask him for funds, you ask him for uba ntontontonton, because why? Awuzanga ngala advantage yena kaze ngayo, asazi bani nokufika kwakhe ufike ithatha.
Yeah, sure.
Yabo, because ufika sekevula i-tuck shop machito ufike nje izolelinye sokunguyi boss.
Boss man is the big man. He's a big man.
So igcwele qhu.
Jonga lento ethethayo, for example the point of the razor like i-red tape. I-red tape ndoda it's so messed up for abantu basemzantsi mfethu. emzansi uzaxola ngecompliance bra, compliance department uxala compliance, umasipala mele ube ne-certificate sakho usibeke ngada ntontontontontonto. Tell me now bafethu ne wena omamele ucabela ubona certificate sika my friend pha mawungena shop
yeke
esika masipala yayithola la usibone nje kodwa ishop zethu no mele ibonakala khona ishop yase Blue Gama won't say uba ngephi omnye uGrootman pick up ukhe wasinceda kakhulu wasponsorisha kakhulu uGrootman uthi bamtshintshisa ipaint bengafuna ngecertificate futhi ngelinye ixesha bamtshintshisa ipaint bra bathi makumele afake ipaint emhlophe. Okay, ceiling grand yonke into nanando was a time they stopped it because of the ceiling. They stopped him again ukuba bathi akafanga mnyango kwi-nansika u-store room sakhe apho kuhlala iparafina nantoni nasekutyeni. Man ngihamba uye any my friend's shop ngoku iparafina ihleli nokutya and ihlala qala lomgubo kakhulu.
Yeah, that's right. And exposed ikhonge chakho bro, like exposed.
Yayithola that thing. But ezo shop ezazivalwa you get a fine 10,000 nyana 2 weeks nyana later my friend uveske wacleana nje ka-2 after that spin yakhala. Yeah. Nam ndinechome ngo my friend because clients as my friend. We're not saying bafethu we don't appreciate you. We appreciate you a lot and we love you yabona, but now sometimes ezinye izinto nizenzayo yabo. No esinye state sesakhala sathi omnye olegal uzifihla ngongo. Like ulegal ephepheni but uyazazi bawenzani because sokwenziwa kuphela. South Africa so i-country ekwenza kuphela. You know, even abantu like the government omeke ungena sengena department esithi yandiyodla akathi ndiyosebenza. Even us, we say that kuma departments. That's why departments angasebenzi. We still gonna talk about you kakhulu. Zonke departments sizothetha ngani. Especially Desiree, I've got something on about the Desiree said and we posted something the minister must come and fire them, maybe bonk. Yeah. Clean up. Kasi talk about just okay.
You want people to get fired?
We are about to close. How long do we have produce? Yeah, we got 5 minutes, ne? Yeah. But otherwise, yeah, man, part 2 is gonna come, and it's more about because Monday,
okay.
Monday, Monday.
Monday, namhlanje is 29, 28.
Z31, get 31. Makuphela inyanga iCivic. It's supposed to sit down. The steering committee, in fact, is supposed to sit down and decide what's the way forward on these foreigners, documented and undocumented. Hey, MR we need to open it up for topic number 2. South and Agabantu, many questions arise because ukona abantwana yabo ubutime.
Oh, ndithi plus no chairman kukhona apho kumbuza khona uba ithini verdict yanamhlanje so kuzabe kudityenwe on Monday. Yeah, ku decide yona kuyo yona lento lena towards eza 30 31 zika June
31 no 31 May. Next week.
Oh my.
But now what I'm saying is mele sivule because kukhona abantwana abanotata nomama abangaphandle. Kukhona abantwana abangaphandle. Especially China, we have a country within a country. Lesotho here. Yeah, siyamixa nabo. You know what I'm saying? The chances are you have a child yaseLesotho wawena.
You know what I'm saying?
My friend, you know what I'm saying? Bakhona sibaninzi bachana bethu bangama-Indi. So I was saying abachana bethu bavaye obona since bena ama-certificate lapha eMzansi bangahambi. So we open it up naleyo nanani. So yeah, as in Chile we have
part 2 coming.
Part 2 coming through.
Yeah,
okay, we're closing it now. Otherwise we're gonna go home. Siyagodola nathapha ngaphandle. Yeah man, if you have a better location for us, holla at us. We come through, but this location is beautiful.
Yeah, and we can also promote your business. If you are having a good venue for us, invite us over. We'll promote your biz.
And xa ufuna like interview maybe wabona ukuba ezinye izinto ungazicacisa better kunathi yabona okanye nomnye umuntu yabona. Yeah, holla at us, numbers ovela Pizanti, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, pull through, DM us, yeah. Okay, Facebook is gonna be for shorts, no Nansiga, no TikTok, none. If you want the whole full shebang, you go on YouTube, it's all Lali Living, yabona zonke izinto.
Lali Living.
Instagram is still under construction, Nansiga, X is still under construction. But the rest we're good, we're gonna go to Patreon soon. Yeah, so YouTube, please, masinyo say my subscription go YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment, share on all networks.
So where's Lali Living going this weekend? You want them to be there, most? Wouldn't you want them to be there?
This weekend Semajonini this weekend Semajonini simenyiwe but kodwa brother kanga confirm but we're gonna go to.
Yeah, we will
so kanga confirm there's this tournament ezwakalayo we're not gonna name igama lakhona because we don't know promote anything but abantu bayakhala because the tournament last year treat her wrong or not just treat her wrong. wrong.
Everything will be happening on
Kanya tournament yangithola la mntana lona wathi ufuna ukuthetha nami, so I would like ba anansikwe uNonkululeko invite akhe aze apha so ngqokolo basatrina kanjani nathi ipepenyenyeni yonke into pepeneneni, you know, we're still gonna bring the mayor. Mayor uzozwakala hopefully next week near 4 we're sitting with the mayor, you know, everyone is osala nabo so kwenza nama debates with politics soon. It's gonna be heated. Yayithola riding there. Okay, nothing for ngantoni. Oh yo,
okay, Lalitainment podcast.
Okay, it's gonna be dropping. Oh, this one is dropping on Friday.
Yeah,
Friday. We're gonna see it on Friday. This one, and then Lalitainment is dropping on when? Yeah, we're gonna tell you on Lalitainment.
Lalitainment. It's something you should be looking out for, and we have to just keep it on the reps for now because we want everything to be on point the way that we want to, because it's going to be including the whole team, guys. We are going to just get
Holy Short K,
Holy K is there, Kellis the Menace,
Elastra Mundro,
Victor
Shanyayo, but Estromapandi, Estrasakvene, Julian Pula. We are talking Magamane City, Estromapanda. I'm for no rapper food. I know he's going to do but I understand. Holy K, Poncho,
Vinino future coming through. Yeah, man, they're gonna be also. Hey, what do Vinino Vaya, man?
Nah, future Vinino Vaya.
Future.
We're gonna hand you down. We're gonna follow our music. Come on, like the music about performer.
Yeah.
Book them.
Okay, on the Holy K is gonna be dropping soon. So, guys. Hey, man,
it's a hot track. Sometimes won't do the
Sometimes
they gotta download it, they gotta go to Facebook and all that. There's a short video and then the track you're gonna download it, living support. We're gonna be dropping a lot of music, we're gonna be dropping a lot of podcasts, we're gonna be dropping a lot of dropping of the drops to the drop to the drop of the drop.
We're gonna drop
everything dropping and just to Lalitainment, we're gonna be talking about youth not voting.
There's something we should look into.
Signing out. I'm no founder.
I found the villain. Ah man, this guy.